how to buy something on Klarna. If you would like to buy something on Klarna, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Klarna application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here, what you have to do is you can simply search for any of the products that you like, right? Once you search for certain products, whether it is a third-party app or website or whatever else it is, you can simply select those, and once you've done that, you can just try to purchase and add the products to your basket. So once you add the products that you want to buy to your basket, you can go to the checkout page. You can also use some coupons if you want to. Otherwise, you can just hit the checkout button, and once done, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and place your order, and depending upon your location, the delivery will take place. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.